Jack, our first dish, what is it?
Tacacho mixto. Tacacho mixto es un plato exótico y muy tradicional de nuestra Amazonía.
I'm gonna fry it.
Este aceite tiene un poquito de sabor especial que procede del cerdo.
All right, so we're combining the mixture of the plantain with the pork and the chorizo. Cook the pork on the skillet and cooking the plantain by frying it. That's the typical way of cooking it. Ready to go. Pork fat's going into the plantain. A little bit of salt. Are we gonna start mashing it?
Yes.
Oh, ever heard of Super Smash Brothers? This is Super Smash Brothers kitchen style. Just flatten. I'm pounding this like it's my mortal enemy right now. I'm putting some effort into this. I know. I smell that. I smell the fat. The fat. Oh, my mouth is watering like you guys wouldn't believe. The fat is combining with the plantain, and that aroma is unbelievable. Ooh, a little more fat. I used to work at a Chinese restaurant. No plantain was ever smashed there. A lot of chicken skewered though. The plantain is gonna be made into a ball. That's gonna be mixed with the meat, the chorizo and the pork. So that's it. And the pork goes on. Plantain, pork, chorizo, a little bit of cream. Oh, thank you. I wanna try this plantain first. It's all crumbly. Oh, a little crunchy, salty. Oh, is that beautiful fat in there. A little bit of crunch. All right, I'm gonna credit that to my pounding. That pork fat makes all the difference here. And the crunch was something I wasn't expecting. It's a little peppery, like I said. Oh man, I never had plantain like this before. Never. I'm gonna just take this ball and just shove it in my mouth. But that'd be really uncivilized. Okay, Jack, I had the plantain. I'm not trying to be nice to you, okay? I'm not. But that's the best plantain I ever had in my life. It's not like I eat it a lot, but I have had it plenty of times. I'm not trying to be nice to you because, I just met you, But that little chunks of crispiness that's in here. Bravo, my friend. And this is the pork.
Yeah, this is the pork, the cecina.
Cecina. Nice and charred on the outside. I love it when pork gets better, tastier, the more you chew. Then this thing, a little charred on the outside. And as you chew, the flavor releases. That will go great with some of the plantain. And the chorizo. Jack, I gotta ask you a question. It's really important. You gotta be honest with me.
Okay, perfect.
Do you feed your pigs like magic? This is insanely delicious. The chorizo, like you said, is smoky. Got some spice in there. Delicious, my friend. Delicious. I'll try the coconut sauce. I see why the coconut sauce is there. It's very citrusy, and it cuts through all the fat on the pork, the fat from the plantain. It just creates a beautiful balance. What I've been wanting to do is just take a bite of all three together because I feel like they belong together. I mean, usually like couples belong together, but in this case, three is not a crowd. Get some plantain on my fork. There's some magic happening on this plate right now. I mean, just the mix of crispiness and the chewiness, citrus, fat, the beautiful flavor, the spices, the smoke. It's like a magic show in my mouth. Like Copperfield is performing